Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how solar panels are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Solid silicon ingots are sliced into thin wafers. These wafers will become the core of each solar cell. The process begins with carefully selected raw materials. High-purity silicon, glass, and metal components.
Before further processing, the wafers are thoroughly cleaned to remove microscopic impurities that could affect performance.
Next, the wafers undergo chemical treatment. Their surfaces are textured to trap sunlight and improve energy absorption.
This step, known as doping, transforms silicon into a semiconductor. It allows the material.
A special anti-reflective coating is applied, allowing more sunlight to enter the cell instead of reflecting away.
Conductive grid lines are added to collect and transport electrical current generated by sunlight. Robotic systems assemble each cell with extreme accuracy, ensuring consistent performance across every panel. Individual cells are connected together, forming a powerful network capable of generating clean energy. The cells are sealed between durable layers of glass and protective materials to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Aluminum frames are added for strength, while labels provide tracking and performance information. Fully assembled panels move to packaging, ready for transport around the world.
Every solar panel is tested for efficiency, safety, and durability before approval.
Only panels that meet strict quality standards are prepared for delivery. From raw materials to renewable power, this is how solar panels are made.
And that's how solar panels are made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.